The monthly market report isn't about the stats of the last month. It's about how the overall picture of the month reflects on what the future holds for anybody that is thinking of selling, has their property in the market, is looking to invest, or looking to do something real estate in the next couple of months. The story of April was properties are starting to sell more and more. Clearance rates have now shot up to 79%. 111 properties were sold in April and 139 were listed. So there is that growing confidence of buyers that now is the time to buy. So Connor, we've had a few properties for us that's transacted last month. What's been the standout one for you?
The standout one for me has probably been Windsor Court in Irimple. It's actually just gone under contract. The amount of people we actually had through the inspections, like we hosted quite a few open inspections for it, and within the first few inspections we had about 20 plus that had come through the property itself. And considering today's open inspection numbers, that was great for us. Like at the start it was averaging 0 to 3 people through an open inspection, and through the first couple we had 20 plus, which was really good numbers, and had some really good feedback for the owner pretty much straight away as well, because having that amount of numbers come through, you get a lot of information from those people as well.
So in total, 52 buyers ended up coming through that property. We've been in constant conversation with a few of them. A few have bought, but there's probably still about 40 or so that are looking for a home and an investor. Technically, investors bought the property. They're moving their daughter in there, and it's going to be settling later this month. On the investment side, 79 properties were rented in April. So while it's not a high number, and there's usually about 80 or so investment properties floating on the market at one time, it's about one a week. And that's two-part. It's like on the previous video, as rents are going up, people that are looking to rent, their affordability changes because of the rent to income ratio. So if you haven't checked that out, check out the previous video, and just make sure that you're applying for properties that are inside your budget.
It's a really good time for the rental market as well, and people to be kept in the loop of what's going on, because if you're looking to rent, now is a good time.
Absolutely. So investment properties, there's still a great few deals out there. Obviously, interest rates have changed the criteria. Get the right property and get the right property manager. We can ensure that the rental return is there and lucrative for you in the short term or definitely over long term lifetime of your ownership of the property. Capital growth is always the touted figure of people want to know how much their property is growing in value. It's now sitting at 5.9%, which again is an increase from last month. So properties are going up. What do you think of the market?
It's good. Buyers, renters and the tenants are happy as well. So what's there not to love?